genetic code that explains so many things there. Here, on the mRNA, 4 nitrogenous bases are there, A, C, U and G. But these 4 nitrogenous bases are not enough to represent 20 amino acids. So single nitrogen base A, C, U and G, it is known as singlet code. Singlet codes are not enough to represent 20 amino acids. So these 4 codes become double duplet code. So in duplet code, when make the table, okay, and here, for example, you have to write in this way that this is the first position and this is on the second position. So here UU, CU, AU, G. Here UA, CA, AA, GA. Here UG, CG, AG, G. These 16 codes are not enough to represent 20 amino acids. So George Gamow triplet these codes. So here duplet codes are 4 into 4. So total 16 codes are there. So George Gamow triplet code, this is known as codon. So here the 16 codes, 4 into 4 into 4, so 4 raised to 3 means 64 codes are more than enough to represent 20 amino acids. And in that the table is formed and this is known as checkerboard. Sometime 3-mark question will be asked like that. Draw checkerboard only. Draw checkerboard only. To draw the checkerboard it is very easy. Okay, it is very easy to draw the checkerboard. But to represent 20 amino acids in this checkerboard is much more tough. So for checkerboard, UCAG code is there. UCAG. So on the first column, UCAG is there in the first position. On the upside row, UCAG, it is on the second position. And third side, on the right side of the page, from your side, UCAG code is there. And this third code is known as wobble code. Third position of the codon is known as wobble code. And you have to form the checkerboard. So for that, I make the I've given the clue for all these columns. So first, for the first column, the number wise group is 4, 2 to 4, 3, 1, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4. For first column, 224314 code is there, and the specific amino acids are Fenyluliumetwa. Clear? So number wise group is 224314, and for that amino acid are Fenyluliumetwa. Second column, for that numerical code is 4444, and for that amino acid code is Serprothrala. Third column, 200222222, 6 times 2. Okay, and here 00 it indicates what? Stop code. And for that amino acid code is there known as Thagala. And for the fourth column, 2014224, and for that the amino acid code is Satasa. Here, when you draw the checkerboard, please listen to these sentences carefully. There are total 64 codons. There are total 64 codons, but for 20 amino acids, 61 codons are there. Okay, again, there are total 64 codons, but for 20 amino acids, there are 61 codons, because 3 codons are stop codons. Stop codons are UAA, UAG, and UGA. Very easy question. Asked in the exam like this. The stop codons start from which nitrogenous base? Answer is uracil. All these stop codons starts from the uracil nitrogenous base. UAA, UAG, and UGA. What do you mean by degenerative codons? The amino acid which represents more than one codon, these codons are known as degenerative codons. So there are total 59 degenerative codons are there. There are total 59 degenerative codons. So AUG, which represents methionine. I am talking about in the first column. AUG, that is methionine, and it represents the start code. So start code is always AUG. And along with that, you see the table checkerboard properly. On the fourth column, one code is only for the UGG, and that is for tryptophan. So, I mean to say that AUG and UGG, these two codes are not degenerative codes. Okay? 3 amino acids represent 6 codons. 3 amino acids represent 6 codons. Which are they? Leucine, arginine, and serine. Leucine, arginine, and serine. तो याद रखवा માટે એક ટ્રીક આપું છું. 6 codons last. 6 last. last LAF, leucine, arginine and serine. The three codes for that only one amino acid, that is isoleucine. Okay, so 3 is done, 6 is done. 4 codes are for 4 amino acids. No, I think for 5 amino acids there. I think PT માં વાગી ગયું. 4 કોર્સ માટે એક કોડ બનાવ્યો છે. PT માં રમવા ગયા હતા, વાગી ગયું. 4 course. Okay, so 4 course for that PT bar. Is it there? P proline, T threonine, V valine, A alanine and G glycine. Okay, one for तो आपने methionine and tryptophan माटे तो छे. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 4 and 6 course माटे आपने discuss करी दीधुं. Remaining all the amino acids carry 2 codes. હું અત્યારે discussion એટલા માટે કરી રહ્યો છું કે according to the codons, arrange the amino acids in ascending order or descending order. That kind of the question will be asked like that. Suppose હું તમને 5 amino acids આપું છું. Cysteine, tryptophan, glycine, isoleucine and threonine. I have given 5 amino acids to you. According to the number of the genetic codes represented by these amino acids, arrange them in the ascending order. So you know that cysteine, for that 2 codons are there. Tryptophan, for that 1 codon. Glycine, for that 4 codons. Isoleucine, for that 3, and sorry, here I have to write arginine. 6 codes are remaining there. A mistake. Fine. So arrange this amino acid. Suppose example, I can make it as a B, C, D and E. Okay. So the arrangement of the amino acid in the ascending order by consisting of the genetic codes. Fine. So first is B, then A, then D, then C, and then E. Okay. And specifically for specific amino acid, how many codons are there? That type of the question is also asked in the exam. That's for this specific amino acid. Clear? Okay. So the third code is vowel code. This is very, very important there. Fine. So this is in the ascending order. So read the question properly, and if the question will be asked like that, arrange this course in the amino acids in the descending order, you have to write opposite way. Okay. So for this question, solution is that when you know the proper number of the codons for specific amino acid then and there. So again, one code for the methionine and tryptophan, two codes are for so many amino acids, three code is for only isoleucine, four codons for that PT1 and six codes for that last. Fine? So you have to remember this and checkerboard. The clue for the checkerboard I have given the code for it, and you have to solve all these questions. Okay? So here I can stop now. Fine?